Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. Today we're gonna make a tandem spinner just like this one. I already got some stuff laying here. First a little bead, then the blade and the blade holder, another bead, this thing, I don't know what it's called. And then you got another bead and another blade, another bead, and just such kind of thing, and a treble hook and a piece of iron steel. Using this piece of pliers. So yeah, let's begin. Okay guys, so this is a steel wire. I already made a little eye on it, and I put all these things in the same order as in the last clip. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay guys, got them all on there. Then I'm gonna make a little eye just like this one, but I will put my treble hook on there and it will just look like this. Okay guys, this is the end result. I can't test it because it's close season. That's from 1 April to the last Saturday of May. You can't fish with lures, so yeah, I also can't fish with this one. I will test it another time, so subscribe to my channel and you will see it. At 20 subs I will do a giveaway. So yeah, till the next one.